rolled the dice. I got sectioned twice, and guess what? It wasn't nice. It wasn't the best experience that I went through at that point in my life. But what I learned from that was the empathy and the emotional understanding that, guess what? We've all got the same thing in common, a mind. A mind that sometimes works and a mind that sometimes doesn't. And with being diagnosed with bipolar, I have my highs, I have my lows, but most importantly, as cringy as this sounds, this heart of mine knows that I am on the right path, and so should you for you. You should know that you're on the right path for you, no matter what adversity is, no matter what challenges you may be facing, no matter what's going on up here in the wars that you face and the frustrations of not being where you want to be. I get it, I empathise, because I too, no matter how long I've been on this journey, still feel like I'm on the day one, and I'm trying, and I'm giving, and I'm moving, and I'm grooving, just like you too. So what I want you to take from this message is that if you're trying to manage your frustrations and you're trying to aspire for something better, never give up hope that you can't get there, because guess what? You can. You really can, because guess what? Sometimes in life you've got to rent the beliefs of other people who believe in you. And then you've got to look at yourself in the mirror and realise you are the person who you're exactly supposed to be. And then that person who looks back at you will believe in you. And that person who looks back at you is you.